Symptoms of a bad turbocharger. Automobile manufacturers utilize an additional device called a turbocharger, or simply a turbo to increase engine power. The same amount of power that is often found in larger cars is frequently delivered in smaller cars via the employment of turbos. In recent times, nearly every manufacturer has offered a turbocharged option in their lineup. This technology allows them to deliver smaller engines that generate the same power output while enhancing fuel efficiency. For instance, Ford made a significant shift by replacing their older 1.6-liter petrol engine with a cutting-edge 1.0-liter turbo EcoBoost engine. But now let's shift our focus to why you're here, exploring the symptoms of a problematic turbocharger. So, without any more hesitation, let's delve right in. 1. Loss of power on car. If you've observed that your car no longer responds to your inputs with the same speed and power it once did, it could be a sign of a failing turbocharger. Similar to this, a car with a turbocharger that finds it difficult to maintain high speeds, or that can no longer achieve speeds, could be having turbo failure. 2. Engine whining. A turbocharger's unexpected advantage is that by reducing the sound of the air intake, it actually quiets the engine. On the other hand, a loud whining noise that sounds like a police siren or a dentist's drill could be a sign of a turbo failure. The noise level will increase if the problem becomes more severe. You should have your car inspected by a qualified mechanic if you hear your engine complaining. 3. Smoke from the exhaust. A distinctive blue-gray smoke is released as oil leaks into the exhaust system and burns off. Damage to internal seals or a crack in the turbo housing could be the cause of this. The turbocharger is more likely to be the source of this symptom if you notice these colored pollutants soon after the engine starts up. 4. Check engine light. Most present cars have computer diagnostics that may identify turbo defects. The driver is made aware of these faults by a check engine light that appears on the dashboard. The check engine light does not, however, only signal a problem with the turbo. Additional testing must be done by a qualified mechanic in order to determine the exact nature of the engine issue. And there you have it, the telltale signs of a malfunctioning turbocharger in your vehicle. When you begin to observe these symptoms we've discussed, it's imperative to take swift action to address the problem without delay. This proactive approach is vital for preventing any additional damage to your engine. Before you leave, we'd greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement motivates us to continue producing informative content like this. Thank you very much for tuning in, and have a wonderful day.